Hi, my name is Venugopal Reddy. I am from Kadapa. I completed 9 months editing course at Rifti Film School, DILUSUKNAGAR. During my course, I received hands-on training, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. The practical sessions helped me understand professional video editing, motion graphics, color grading, visual effects, audio synchronization, and post-production workflows. As part of my practical training, I worked on the short film projects Lifeline and Amma Puttin Rosu. These projects gave me real-time editing experience and helped me improve my storytelling, editing speed, and technical skills. I sincerely thank Karthik sir for the excellent guidance and continuous support throughout the course. I would also like to thank Dean Priya ma'am and CEO Mike sir for providing an industry-oriented learning environment and motivating students to work on the real-time projects. Today, I feel confident and ready to work as a professional video editor. If you are passionate about editing and want to build a successful career in post-production, I highly recommend Rifti Film School, DILUSUKNAGAR. Thank you.